Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set smart calling mute in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to settings of your phone. Go to settings. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility. And here select smart motion. Smart motion. And here select smart calling. After selecting smart motion, select smart calling, and here click on smart mute. Just to turn on this button, smart mute. That means when your phone rings, cover the screen with your hand to mute the call. So if a phone ringing up when you receive incoming call, ringing can be muted with your hand by just hovering over the screen like this. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, now I will receive a call from another phone. I am making a call and phone is ringing here. To mute this ringing, just hover over the screen like this. Hover with your hand and yes, it is muted. Okay, so in this way you can easily mute call, that is incoming call, when you are not when you are going to wish the ringing to be turned off. Okay, phone is ringing, but to mute the ringing, just you have to use your hand, that is you have to cover your hand with this screen like this. Okay, just you have to touch the screen. Okay, like this, and phone ringing will be muted. Okay, this is called smart mute. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.